Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, people. This is your boy Polo with Polo Fields Lawn Service, and I'm gonna make this video very short, quick, and simple, just about the importance of maintenance on your lawn in the summertime. Let me just show you just a couple of things that you need to keep in mind when we're going through all these hot temperatures, through this humidity, through this rain, grass not growing, especially if you have a cool season lawn, grass isn't growing that much. Let me just give you some tips of what you need to do, and I'm gonna show you some examples. Let's hop right into it. All right, y'all see this line right here? This thing right here is basically cut maybe like 3 inches, okay? Doesn't matter if you have a commercial mower or if you have a push mower like down there. Raise your mowers up as high as you can be able to raise them. As high as it goes. If you got push mower, raise that thing up as high as it can go. Don't cut it low. This is cut about like a good 3 inches. The sun is beating it up. It's got heat stress in it. Raise the mowers up, okay? Raise them up. Number 2, what I've already been stressing, and I got a couple of videos that you all need to check out, the importance of a fungicide. It's raining, we're getting hot temperatures, and the fungus is just running rapid right about now. Right now in our area, we're dealing with a lot of brown patch. Let me show you. You see this right here? This is brown patch. This is a fungus. It's a deeper, dark brown. See it? And this is all because the customer did not act in putting down a fungicide to basically prevent it from coming into the lawn. This is a fungus. It's starting to spread a little bit. That's number 2. I told y'all this is gonna be quick. Here is line number 3. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this line. This is a line that I take care of. I've already put down a fungicide on this line to prevent it from getting in this line. There's no brown spots. I cut this line at 4 1/4. I raised it up, raised that mower up, and I fertilized it. Line is still holding good color. It's still good and green. Now y'all see that line over there? That's the line where they're cutting it like at 3 inches. This is 4 1/4. Cutting height. Raise your mower up as high as you can raise it up. You see this? They're watering it. Water is key. You're going to want at least 1 inch of water per week. If it gets even hotter, you want to take it up to maybe like 1.5 inches. But this is what their lawn looks like. No brown spots, no fungus. It's cut high, that's cut low. You see the difference? Let's walk on down. Same thing back here in the backyard. It's cut at 4 1/4. That's cut at 3 inches. So let's go over this real quick. Number 1, raise your mowers up. Raise them up as high as you can be able to raise them. If your mowers only goes up to 3 1/2, cut it at 3 1/2. If it can go up to 4 1/4, cut it at 4 1/4. Number 2, if you haven't put down a fungicide, you need to get one down. We're still in that season right now, and we're in that season where we're still getting hot temperatures, and it's raining, and it's humid, it's sticky right now. So you're definitely going to need a fungicide down in your lawn to prevent a fungus from happening. Tip number 3, water your grass. Water your grass. Give it 1 inch of water per week. If it's consistently in the 90s, upper 90s, you may want to do 1.5 inches, but water your grass. Your grass can look green like that. Try to do what you can. You're going to be doing less. You're not going to be bombing it with nitrogen. You're going to be bombing it with water. That's what you need to do. Water your grass. If you're going to mow your grass, you can either mow that thing early in the morning. Yes, I know it may be some dew on the grass, or mow it late in the evening. It's going to be hot outside at noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. The grass is going to be under stress. If you don't have to mow it between those times, don't mow it. Mow that thing in the morning time, or mow it in the late evenings when it is the